The narcotics police have released information showing it has taken hundreds of millions of dollars worth of drugs off the streets. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
Data obtained by TVJ News revealed that for the period January 1 to June 30 this year, the narcotics police seized nearly $500 million in illicit drugs in 435 raids, $168 million worth of ganja, $232 million worth of cocaine, and $33,000 worth of hashish have been seized. In addition to that, 140 hectares of illegal ganja cultivation were destroyed. During the operations, the police arrested 128 persons, 21 of them foreign nationals. 17 motor vehicles, which the police say were used to transport drugs, have been seized. 66 persons have been convicted this year for drug trafficking. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.